Today we're going to use regular vinegar to see if we can keep these cats off my back deck. A couple weeks ago I did a video very similar to this. I tried to use Irish Spring soap to see if that would keep the cats off my back deck. It did not work. I'm supposed to add lemon juice with the vinegar and a few other things. I don't have the other ingredients. I'm thinking the vinegar should be enough. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a spray bottle, and then I'm going to spray underneath my chairs, other places on the deck, and then after about, I'm guessing an hour, then I will set up my GoPro 7, try to keep the sun off of it so it don't overheat, and we'll see if we keep these cats off this deck. Okay, I'm not going to do a voiceover on this one. I'm going to show you all the spots I spray. If I do any talking, it's probably going to be a little bit, it's going to sound like I come from the background. But I'm going to show you where I'm going to spray this at. That should do it. Oh, a little bit right here. And a little bit more underneath the bench. Oh, I don't know about the cats, but I truly hate the smell of vinegar. Oh my gosh, I'm here to tell you. I got a little bit more spots than what I showed on the video. Hopefully this will work. Do I think it's going to work? No. Let me tell you why. These cats are so much into killing the birds here and going after birds. I don't think a little smell of vinegar is going to chase them away. Plus, they're so much into my indoor cat. Now, I think the vinegar, if anything, might make them go somewhere else, but that's okay. The reason I sprayed underneath the chair first, because that's where the gray cats, yeah, there's 3 gray cats, by the way. That's where they like to lay. This morning, I caught one of the gray cats going after 3 birds. I wasn't able to stop it in time before it killed one. So with any luck, this should do it. I looked up online, it says it should do it. I even asked Alexa if it would do it, and it said, yeah, it should do it. But they also said the same thing about Irish Spring soap. And if you watch that video, it did not work. Okay guys, I'm gonna get my GoPro white set up. I'm not gonna turn it on yet. Right now, I'm getting ready to head out, have lunch with my wife. Let this stuff sink in. Yeah, I can smell that vinegar strong. And then when I get back, I turn the GoPro white on, try to block it from the sun above so it don't overheat. And I'm gonna set it up in a different spot. We're gonna have it lower down to the deck to where maybe I could catch the cat coming in underneath my 2 chairs. 'Cause that's where it likes to stay, and we'll see if we catch it. I may not be able to catch the cat, guys. I may not be able to. So wish me luck. And we'll see you all this evening. Okay, it's definitely evening time. It is 7:17. Did the vinegar work? You be the judge of that. Let's roll some footage. No, it did not work. As a matter of fact, the cat did come under there earlier, but I wasn't quick enough on the record. And then when I had to leave for a little bit, and I had to recharge the camera, the cat was laying underneath the bench then. So, does the vinegar work? No, I'm afraid it doesn't. It didn't do a damn thing. And I even resprayed it too. Yeah, if I was to get down under there, it stinks of vinegar, very strong. Did not scare the cat away. It may work for other cats, but not these cats. No. So guys, I tried Irish Spring soap. I tried vinegar. You know what I'm going to try next? I'm going to try some black pepper. And I'm possibly going to try some cinnamon. That will be in maybe, I don't know, a couple days. Then again, maybe the very next video after this one. I don't know when I'm going to do it. So guys, save yourself troubles. Maybe in some places vinegar may work, but not here. These cats doesn't do anything for them. Maybe the black pepper. Or maybe the cinnamon. This is kind of fun. It does. I mean, it is. Although I don't want them killing any more birds. Now I don't want them scaring the indoor cat anymore, but it is kind of fun trying to see what will keep the cats off my back deck. And the reason I'm probably going to put the black pepper underneath the bench, the chair bench, and the cinnamon, because that's where they go first. And if it works for them to keep them out of there, then I figure something else out. The only thing I can think of is, the only thing that may work is scare the crap out of them. And I don't know how to do that. All right, guys, till next time. Thanks for watching. Did it work? Heck no. On to the next. We'll catch you next time. Come on, let's get out of here.